Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020, and the topic for this video is the Char Dham project. So this video is not about the Char Dham or the 4 pilgrimage sites of the Hindu saint Adi Shankaracharya, but this is a expressway project. Let us have a look into the details. So what is this Char Dham project all about? It is a express national way with a minimum width of 10 meters in the state of Uttarakhand. So there are some very famous pilgrimage centers in Uttarakhand, namely Kedarnath, Badrinath, Gangotri, Yamunotri, and also Pitoraghar. There are these famous sites which draw a lot of tourists across the country. So there was a proposed Char Dham railway by connecting the 4 holy places of Badrinath, Kedarnath, Champawat, Pittorgarh, Gangotri, Yamunotri, and to complement that railway project, the government has decided to go ahead with this Char Dham highway project as well. So the project includes 900 kilometers of national highways which will connect the whole of Uttarakhand state. Please have a look at this map and try to arrange them from west to east or east to west. This is very important in UPSC prelims exam. The reason why this project was in news is because recently the Border Road Organization under this Char Dham project finished this Chamba tunnel. Now Chamba tunnel is like a horseshoe type of tunnel, meaning this is how a horseshoe tunnel looks like. So this is a major achievement for Border Road Organization because they have done this by digging up a 440-meter long tunnel below the Chamba town on Rishikesh Darasu road on National Highway 94. Let us have a look at this question. The Border Roads Organization develops and maintains road networks in India's border areas and the friendly neighboring countries and functions under the Ministry of Home Affairs. This statement is right till this point. However, this organization is not under the Ministry of Home Affairs but it is under the Ministry of Defence. So the first statement is false. It is entrusted for construction of roads, bridges, tunnels, causeways, helipads, airfields. So this statement is right. So answer is B, 2 only. You have to note this point that Border Roads Organization develops road networks not just in our country but also in neighboring countries as well. That is the important takeaway. It is under the Ministry of Defence. Now please pause the video. While beginning this video, I have told that this project is not about the Char Dham or the 4 pilgrimage sites. So in order to answer this question, please read about Char Dham, read about Adi Shankaracharya's 4 important sites and the history behind that. The question is framed from previous UPSC prelims questions. Therefore, I request you to pause the video and attempt this question. That's it for this video. Thank you.